10 golden rules for writing clean code. One, use meaningful names. Names should explain intent, not implementation. Naming is one of the most important aspects of clean code. Use names that describes the purpose of variables, functions, and classes. Avoid generic names like temp, x, or foo. Instead, use many full names like use email, calculate total price, or is valid password. 2. Keep functions small and focus. One function equal to one responsibility. A good function should perform one task and do it well. Large, monolithic functions can be had to understand and maintain. Break down complex logic into smaller, manageable functions. 3. Write readable code, not clever code. Simple code beats clever code. Readable code is easy to understand at a glance. Clever code may be shorter, but it often confuses orders and your future self. Always prioritize clarity over showing off complex tricks. 4. Be consistent. Consistency improves readability. Adopt a consistent style of indentation, spacing, naming, and bracing across your project. Many teams use style guides like Prettier or ESLint in JavaScript or Black in Python to enforce uniformity in formatting. 5. Avoid magic numbers. Give me name to values. Magic numbers are hard-coded values with no clear meaning. They make code difficult to understand and maintain. Always replace them with named constants to make your code more readable and self-explanatory. 6. Comment why, not what. Code shows what. Comments explain why, when written code should be self-explanatory. Comments are useful for explaining why something is done, but not what is done. Over-commenting can clutter the code. Focus on making your code readable enough that it doesn't need comments to explain what it does. 7. Handle errors properly. Never fail silently. Don't ignore errors or handle them in a way that hides their causes. Provide meaningful error messages and handle exceptions where they're most appropriate. 8. Remove dead code. Unused code create confusion. Dead code is code that is never used or executed. It adds confusion, increases maintenance cost, and makes your code harder to read. If code is no longer needed, delete it, instead of keeping it just in case. 9. Write code for humans first. Optimize readability before performance. Code is read far more often than it is written. Writing clear, descriptive, and well-structured code helps other developers understand it quickly. I always prioritize readability first. Performance optimization can come later. 10. Refactor regularly. Clean code is continuously improved. Follow for more coding tips